With advances in 3D printing technology, there are tons of high-quality 3D printers on the market, so it can be hard to find which one is going to be the best for you. In this video, I'll break down the top 7 best 3D printers this year. I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, whether it's price, performance, or quality. Now, let's get started. Number 7. Best for beginners is the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. We take issue with so-called experts who advise untrained beginners to buy cheap, unassembled kit printers. The only way to learn about their new machine, according to the theory, is to build a printer from scratch. It's a fact that kits can be frustrating to assemble and that bare bones machines are difficult to get up and running. Instead, we advise beginners to purchase the Neptune 3 Pro, a 3D printer that is inexpensive, simple to put together, and level. It takes less than an hour for anyone to set up this machine, and the next day they can produce stunning prints. Even better, the Neptune 3 Pro has a direct drive, a straightforward 36-point auto bed leveling system, and a flexible PEI steel sheet that made removing prints during our testing a breeze. Even a built-in task light is included. The Neptune 3 Pro produced stunning, detailed prints using both PETG and PLA filament in our test. The Neptune 3 Pro and its 260-degree hot end had no trouble printing with TPU, producing a lovely TPU Christmas tree model in under 5 hours, unlike other 3D printers in the sub-$300 price range, including the original Neptune 3. Number 6. Best 3D printer under $300 is the Anycubic Cobra Go. The Anycubic Cobra Go is the ideal, inexpensive 3D printer for both novice makers looking to learn the trade and seasoned pros looking for a trouble-free second printer. Even though it lacks a fancy touchscreen, it does have 2 useful features: an automatic bed leveling system and a flex plate that is PEI coated. Anycubic made this version a DIY kit with a less expensive Bowden-style extruder, which allowed them to keep the price low, a remarkable $219. Although the screen's tiny knob control might seem like a step backward, it's so simple to use that I didn't even mind. When compared to the standard Cobra or the similarly equipped Creality Ender 3v2 Neo, the extra 30 minutes or so spent assembling the printer is more than worth the $100 you'll save. I've seen a lot of cheap printers, and most of the time they're just outdated equipment being thrown out of the warehouse. The Cobra Go, a no-nonsense version of the 5-month-old Cobra, is an exception to this rule. We're not purchasing outdated technology, but a contemporary printer with in-belt tensioners, a 32-bit board, solid stepper drivers, and quiet fans. Number 5. Best for precision and dual material innovation is the Snapmaker J1. The J1 is a specialized 3D printer from Snapmaker, known for its exceptional 3-in-1 machines. This all-metal device is a distinctive 3D printer rather than a CNC or laser engraver. The IDEX design of the J1 results in a dual material machine with nearly independent hot ends for quicker material switching and printing. The smooth print preset provides finer surfaces and better dimensional accuracy, making it ideal for prototyping. It offers fast, normal, and smooth print presets to suit different needs. Despite the fact that a lid hinge for a PLA printer might be a useful addition, the Snapmaker J1's design is impressive. The ease of use and quickness with which support structures could be assigned using the software made this one of the more accessible systems we have used. The fact that it is a cheap, dependable, quick IDX printer with excellent print quality is even more significant. The J1 is the best in its class, despite the existence of less expensive dual material alternatives, thanks to its superior quality and usability. Number 4. Best affordable entry level is the Mingda Magician X2. For a capable, feature-rich 3D printer, hobbyists and newcomers don't need to spend a lot of money, although there are many affordable options available, including the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro, which we intend to test soon as a viable budget option. The Mingda Magician X2 balances performance and affordability. There are many noteworthy features in this printer, including its 16-point auto leveling, quick swap extruder, filament detection, and removable PEI build platform. These features all contribute to its ease of use for beginners, especially when combined with its touchscreen LCD, which is excellent at displaying helpful feedback information. However, the printer itself performs admirably, producing excellent high-quality prints during testing. The limited nozzle options and fine-tuning required for better print quality are some of the compromises made here because they are on the affordable side. But for the price you're paying, you're getting a really great deal. Number 3. Best ultra high-resolution 3D printer is the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s. The Anycubic Photon Mono M5s, which boasts a staggering 12K resolution and achieves 19 micron X accuracy, is unparalleled in terms of printing in detail. It is also very quick. In our test, we were able to print a 3.5-inch model in under an hour. If you're looking for a high-speed, high-resolution printer, the Anycubic Automatic M5s has you covered with its claimed average print speed of 105 millimeters per hour. Amazingly, the Photon Mono M5s doesn't need any manual collaboration since it uses mechanical sensors. This rosin printer is the first we've tested that offers auto leveling, which only saves time but also makes setup a breeze. You only need to add rosin to get started. The M5s and Anycubic's proprietary high-speed rosin, which can be purchased separately or as part of bundle kits, work together to significantly reduce print times. The Photon Mono M5s is a fantastic option for makers looking for a mid-size high-resolution printer because it has all these and other smart features. As it is currently $40 less expensive than its standard $539 MSRP, it is also a wise purchase. Number 2. Best 3D printer under $1,000 is the Bambu Lab P1P. The Bambu Lab P1P 3D printer is ideal for you if you feel a need for speed when it comes to your print builds. It is the fastest printer we have tested so far, outpacing the Anchor Make M5's record by a factor of 2. It can print at incredible speeds of 500 millimeters per second. Additionally, it is a better investment for you because it costs $1,000 less than the M5. You don't need to go through the time-consuming process of adjusting the Z height or offsets before you start your prints because the Bambu Lab P1P is ready for use right out of the box and has an automatic bed leveling feature. It also has a build volume of 256 by 256 by 256 and premium features like a direct drive extruder, PEI coated flex plate, input shaping, and Wi-Fi. The machine is delivered in its basic form so that you can personalize it by designing your own side panels. Such a wonderful opportunity for any hobbyist to use their imagination and add unique touches to their 3D printer. Additionally, for $349, you can add on the automatic material system, which uses 4 different colors of filament simultaneously if you want to print in multiple colors. Number 1. Best overall is the Creality Ender 3 S1 Pro. The most recent and impressive model of the well-liked Ender 3 line is Creality's Ender 3 S1 Pro. The $479 S1 Pro arrives fully loaded, providing an out-of-the-box experience that is simple for beginners and powerful for experienced makers. It is not a cheap DIY 3D printer that needs upgrades like its predecessors. Only a few bolts and about 15 minutes were required for us to assemble the Ender 3 S1 Pro. With Creality's CR Touch Probe, bed leveling, the bane of makers new to the hobby, is no longer a concern. We tested a number of auto leveling systems, and this is by far the simplest. The Ender 3 S1 Pro has a long list of advantages over the basic Ender 3. It has a PEI coated steel flex plate, a color touchscreen, tension knobs, a storage drawer, a light kit, and an even better spool holder. It also has a Sprite direct drive with all metal hot end. Additionally, the S1 Pro has a tool head that can be changed, enabling you to use the optional laser engraving module. But even if the Ender 3 S1 Pro had all the bells and whistles in the world, it wouldn't be at the top of our list of the best 3D printers unless it produced outstanding results. The prints we made of a variety of intricate models, including a toy dolphin, a vase, and a meowing cat, were extremely sharp, with fine lines and little to no stringing. In addition to the fantastic models we printed with PLA filament, we also had excellent success using TPU and PETG filaments on a model of a potted plant. Some green TPU produced realistic looking leaves. Alright, that's all for today's video, guys. Please drop a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this.